Burcon NutraScience is a leader in plant protein technologies. We're doing a learning series with Kip Underwood, CEO of Burcon NutraScience, and today we're going to be talking about the organization and culture. I'm Martin Gagel with Market Radius Research. Please remember, this is neither recommendation nor investment advice. We're here to learn about the company. Kip, nice seeing you.
Martin, great to be back. Thank you.
All right. So over the last few months, Burcon has gone through significant changes from being a research and marketing organization to a research, marketing, and production organization with the addition of the Galesburg manufacturing facility and its team there. What does the organization structure look like today?
Thanks, Martin. It is pretty amazing. It's been 8 weeks. And the amount of change we've had as a company, as teams, as an organization has been phenomenal. So for us, there's really three distinct groups that have been evolving dramatically in this 8-week period. So first, we have our innovation team, the core in Winnipeg. These are the people who've actually created much of the technology we're bringing to market. Second, we don't talk about it much, but we're bolstering our back office, right? How do we take an order from a customer, ship an order to a customer? How do we identify a new vendor, pay a vendor? Those back office things that maybe are not cool or sexy, but are vitally important to the business. And then third is we have, sales and marketing. Like, how do we outreach to customers, talk to customers, and grow our business? And really, it's been about how do we put these three groups or these three teams together in a very cohesive manner.
And with any organization, especially one that's changing so rapidly, culture is of the utmost importance in instilling a strong culture right from the get-go. What imperatives are you doing right now to instill that culture, and how are you going about doing that?
The most important thing for us right now is developing a cohesive team, holding each other accountable, and after that, executing. So as we talked about overall business, we're in the execution phase of our business. And execution at its core is all about people, right? So for us, it's accountable. We hold each other accountable to do what we say and say what we do. Execution is key. And that's where we bring in together, particularly our technical team with the manufacturing team at Galesburg, how they're leveraging 200 plus years of innovation experience with the experience on the ground in Galesburg, how they are working together as a team, identifying issues, identifying opportunities, and then solving those on an hourly, by shift, by day basis. And that's really allowing for the rapid acceleration of the team to develop. And then obviously for us to continue down the path of producing our innovative proteins in Galesburg so that we can bring them to market.
All right, Kip, thank you for that quick dive into the culture and organizational changes going on at Burcon. Thanks a lot, and looking forward to our next update.
Thanks, Martin. Appreciate the time.